What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working at my deck and we are pretty much done. It is looking very nice. The only thing we have left is we need two 6x6s, one from here up to that corner and the same thing on that post up to that corner, just to support the landing at the top of the stairs there. We are putting a temporary post here just to get it level before we cut the 6x6s in, but I have a 6x6 in my garage there that we're going to cut and get those in. So let me set this up and get this done.
Come on. Oh, let me move those out. Okay, so I want to mark this. I want to mark this
From that seat cut.
in there. Cut down, cut down.
That should be it.
What a piece of hardware, man. Look at that fucking thing. Holy shit, huh? Oh! All right, let me
Yeah, I'm getting tired of lifting this thing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go.
Are you ready?
Don't get crazy. Lights on?
Here they are.
Can you go turn them off? Start the truck up. Start it up, let the battery charge.
Leave it running?
Yeah, leave it running. Yep. Started?
What?
Started right up?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, hold this. So that's going up there. We are taking this side out. That side's coming out. 2¼ of an inch. Going up here, get it level with your thing. I'm getting it on my tip. Tell me when you're good.
That's flush on the bottom right there.
Okay.
Good? Mom said the beach party had 3,000 tickets.
Did it?
That was 3,000 just for the beach party. That was small. Barely anyone got tickets compared to who was at the real event. At the pavilion, the Live Oak Pavilion. Jelly Roll's playing there.
Is it?
Yeah, me and Chris might go down for that.
Nice.
The venue's really nice.
On the water there, it's beautiful.
Yeah. You don't even know that you're in the city once you're in there. You going up?
Yep.
It's not really a city, but you know, something more.
Come on, get yourself set. I'll move it to you. Get yourself
Down a hair.
Go ahead, get your drill bit and everything first. That's flush right there. All right, go ahead. Come on up here and get one up here.
I don't have any more of these. 1 second. All right, guys, we are all buttoned up, and I think these posts here look great, much better than doing posts down to footings here and having 2 posts all the way down to the ground. It also made the deck a lot more sturdy up there, which was the whole point of this, just to get the shake and the wobble out of that top section up there. Obviously you don't want that, so if you go up there, here, I'll go up there real quick. Before we had those, this whole section here would have a bit of a bounce to it, and you probably can't tell, but it is very sturdy now. But yeah, I'll give you guys a little look at the deck here because this is officially complete. I am going to get some white lattice boards here and close this off all the way across. I'm going to have to move my garden hose down because that's, you probably can't see it with the light, but it's down there, so the only way to get it right now is to go under the deck. I'm also going to get some bushes here to hide this lower staircase, and then I'm going to get some bushes in here to try and hide this concrete wall. And then obviously we have all the work of the driveway plus little walkway up to the staircase, so quite a bit ahead of us. But as far as the front porch goes, it is complete. But I think that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.